Hello everyone, this is Raman. Today we will learn about that whether Eclipse is working fine and how to create the project in Eclipse. So Eclipse is basically the IDE for the Java. Okay, so if you can see this title, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developer. So how to start the Eclipse? First, what you need to do, if you are a Java developer, you might know this, or you can skip this lecture. If you are not a Java developer, then it's a beginning level of tutorial for that. So new, go to the Java project. Okay, here you can give your project name. I'm giving my project name, say Selenium project. Okay, and here I'm just clicking on next. So it will create one project and one folder underneath it. It is src, which is source folder. So I'm keeping it like that and finish. So once it is finished, so you can see this is opened, and here JRE system library and src2 folders has been created. So src is basically where we will write our source code, and JRE system library is basically the library or the DLLs or API which we are using for the Java development is already available. You need not to refer it explicitly. So with the help of Eclipse, when you create the project, that particular libraries which are inbuilt in the Java are already referenced here. And if you want to create a class, what is class, what is this objects, these things we will discuss probably in our Java tutorial. I give some basic knowledge of Java into my Selenium course. So for the time being, I'm just right clicking on it and I'm saying new, and I'll say create a class. Okay, so here we can give the any class name as per our requirement or naming convention. So I'm just saying uh, basic test. Okay, I'm just checking this option, public static void main string args. So this is basically the entry point of program execution, and I'm clicking finish. So now you can see this, our one class is created, public class, and its class name is basic test, and it has public static void main method. Now what we will do, we will write our code which we need to test into this main method. So basically my Selenium code or other code, if you want, like uh, Java code, you will write it here. So if we can see, this program is opened, and if we see this package explorer is available, or for the testing purposes everything is fine, I am writing one uh, statement in the Java to see that Eclipse is properly installed and Eclipse is working without any error. So I'm just writing, don't worry about that what statement I am writing, I'm just checking whether Eclipse is installed properly or not. So I'm saying system.out.println hello world. Okay, so I'm just semicolon. Now we need to go to run, or we can press Control F11. So it is asking that select the resource basic test.java. This is my file name, and I'm saying OK. And you see down there, hello world is printed. So it means my Eclipse is installed properly, and I can run my Java or Selenium code now in this Eclipse IDE. Thanks for watching. In next lecture, we will see how to download the Selenium jar files. What is jar files? That I will explain you in the Java tutorial. But jar file is something a API or DLL which we refer for Selenium testing. Okay, so here I'm just stop casting here, and we'll meet into the next lecture. Thank you very much.